Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya tadi. Papinjit kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat ke jingtah. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bila si buat?
Wat hadian ke jingmih no jengki kat arngut ki amli ke parti kongres bat lik pineso asaka All India Trinamool Congress kebala kelalong baka kongres hapo ke rilum guru ban omdan syu ki amli ke parti hendrai kani kan omdan pat ke jingktah ni ke jingma nak benta ke parti kongres harilum guru ya kani lapon pau da ke working president jengka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka dibara marak habai kren bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka ba kala ethu ba ke jingphet no ki amli ke kongres saka All India Trinamool Congress kan omkta setia ke parti namar bah ke sanji masima dan balai badan ki bawan shushu ka dibora ka le thu ba tangki meli ki bapet ne kerja ne ke parti ka sa bat ki district congress committee bat ki block congress committee bat khamtam e ki pai ba dong thembut ki yai ne be bat ka parti congress bat ka ji khun harilom garu election arjar plai kan dei be hapring ka congress bat ka national people party
Garo Hills, yes, Congress and NPP as a ruling party. We will fight with NPP. We have candidates. We are grooming up in 24 constituencies. They are working hard in BCCs. We don't find. We have 2-3 candidates rather in one constituencies. We don't have problem. Definitely, I am very much confident. We can revive. We will work hard. And one thing I believe in hard work. Hard work always pays. See, normally in Congress party, we never propose the PS or the chief minister beforehand. You all know it very well. After the election, it is a decision of the High Command, AITC, to decide. Always we fight as a party. That we all witness. That's why this election also, we will fight as a Congress party. We will not put any person or any pace in front of us to lead. As a party, we are fighting.